Hello and welcome everyone to ifectioner.com's How to Speak English Confidently and Fluently tutorial. In this tutorial, I will give you 6 tips on how to build spoken English confidence and fluency. A lot of people in the world can understand and speak English. However, many of us hesitate and can't speak confidently and fluently. English is an international language, but it's not a native language of most of the world population. As a non-native speaker, you may be stressed and make mistakes. As with all the things, speaking proper and perfect English confidently needs practice. Following are the 6 tips to help you become a confident and fluent English speaker. Number 1 is motivation and inspiration. Number 2 is train your brain, self-communication. Number 3 is creating offline and online English speaking environments. Number 4 is stop thinking and start talking. Number 5 is make mistakes and learn. Number 6 is prepare for the conversation. Let's discuss each tip in detail. Motivation and inspiration. You need to be motivated and inspired to start speaking English confidently and fluently. Motivation can be positive or negative. Positive motivation includes but not limited to getting a new job, improving your personality, better life, to excel in a profession or pass an exam. Negative motivation includes but not limited to losing your job, failing an exam, or inferiority complex. Once you are motivated, get inspired. Watch some inspirational videos and speeches. Once you are motivated and inspired, then comes the next step. Train your brain, self-communication. As English is not a native tongue of many of us, therefore our brains need time to process our thoughts from our native language to English and vice versa. To lessen this processing time from one language into another, we should train our brain. Our brain can be trained with our thoughts. Start thinking in English. Communicate with yourself in English. By doing this, you will realize that your brain gets trained and it needs lesser and lesser time to process. At one point, you will be able to start understanding and speaking without your brain needing to translate from one language to another. At that point, you will start speaking English confidently and fluently. Creating offline and online English speaking environments. At the beginning, you need to create an English speaking environment around you. This English speaking environment should be offline as well as online. By creating an offline English speaking environment, I mean You should read, listen, write, and speak English. As English is not our mother tongue, therefore we need to immerse ourselves in English to be confident and comfortable with it. The more comfortable we get, the more confident we get. Here are few tips for creating offline English speaking environment. You should read English newspapers, novels, and magazines. You should listen to English songs, news, and radio programs. You should watch English movies, dramas, and sitcoms. You should write and do all your written communication and assignments in English. You can try speaking English in front of the mirror. By creating an online English speaking environment, I mean you should do all your online activities and communication in English. Here are few tips for creating an online English speaking environment. Communicate with your friends in English. Use social media in English. Place comments in English and reply to messages in English. Read English blogs and news. Watch English vlogs and videos. Listen to English online radio and songs. You can record yourself speaking English and then listening and then redoing it. Stop thinking and start talking. Stop thinking what other people will say. People always talk. If you start speaking in English or if you don't speak in English, people will talk about you. So it's better that you speak English and let them talk rather than you don't speak English when you are expected to and people talk about you. Make mistakes and learn. You will definitely make some mistakes. However, you will get better with practice and time. Sometimes people will correct you. Take the correction in positive sense and try not to make that mistake again. Other times, people will make fun of you. Let them. Don't lose confidence and keep practicing. You will start realizing the mistakes you make. Think about them and try not to make them again. Many beginners make grammatical mistakes. Try to learn the basic English grammar rules and tenses. You will yourself see the change and start talking in English with confidence and fluency. Prepare for the conversation. If you don't feel confident in speaking English, then spend some time to prepare for the conversation. For example, if you need to call a hotel to book a room, then make an effort and try to guess what questions and answers will be needed to complete the conversation. Consult a dictionary or an online translation software for difficult words. You can watch a YouTube video related to the scenario. You can write down the sentences in the beginning. When you are doing a conversation, try to speak according to your preparation. After preparing for a few times, you will feel confident enough to start a conversation without preparation. It will help you in building your English speaking confidence. Thank you for learning with ifectioner.com. I hope that you will act upon these advices and you will be able to speak English confidently and fluently.